Mailchimp sign-up form setup and best practices. This video will guide you through the setup of Mailchimp sign-up form and the best practices to follow, so you make the best out of the sign-up form. This video will cover Mailchimp sign-up form setup, making the sign-up form visually appealing and applying the best practices to get maximum sign-ups. From the left navigation panel, click on Audience and select the option Sign-up Forms. Now select Form Builder. To make this visually appealing, we can add the logo or a banner image. In this case, let's add a banner image. To add an image, click on Use Image and select the image you like to use and press Insert. To make changes to the form fields, click on Design It tab. Here you have options to change font styles, background colors and button colors, so this form reflects your brand. Now we are done with the design part. Let's move on to compliance part. To make this form GDPR compliant, please follow the following steps. From the left panel, under the Audience tab, select All Contacts. Under the option Settings, select GDPR Fields and Settings. Select the checkbox Enable GDPR Fields. Enabling double opt-in. To keep your email list clean, using a double opt-in is recommended. To enable double opt-in, click on Sign Up Forms from the navigation menu. Now under Settings, select Audience Name and Defaults. Under the option Form Settings, check the option Enable Double Opt-in. Now to get the Sign Up Form URL, click on Audience and select the option Sign Up Forms. Now select Form Builder and you can find the URL under the option Sign Up Form URL. You can share this URL on your social media pages like Facebook and Twitter, so you can get people signed up. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe for more useful videos.